Do you want to uninstall the Turn Off the Lights Brave extension? Here is the solution to uninstall Turn Off the Lights Brave extension. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to note that uninstalling the Turn Off the Lights Brave extension is a straightforward process. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to remove it from your browser completely. Step 1. Click right on the gray lamp button and select the menu item, Remove from Brave. Step 2. A confirmation dialog box will appear, asking if you want to remove the extension. Click Remove to proceed. Fantastic! You have successfully uninstalled the Turn Off the Lights Brave extension from your browser. That's it for today's tutorial on how to uninstall the Turn Off the Lights Brave extension. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.